permitted to move one a vacating petition thereafter. Along with the petition. Same.
May please, Your Honor.
Yes.
Here, my lord, item number 57. I have already taken consent from the senior counsel, madam. Kindly be taken up, my lord, 18th of December. There is an interim order. They may be.
We'll have to extend the interim.
And other matter is there. This is 56. This is basically sanction UAPA.
My lord.
So we'll like to hear you.
But today, my lord,
UAPA sanction, then what will be ramification after Sai Baba case and all? These are to be
then my lord, speak tomorrow, my lord. Then
you
I,
inform the other side. We will.
then my lord, I go through the matter.
You go through it and
Tomorrow, day after.
we will not adjourning right now. Let
My
the
lord, yes, yes.
yes.
My lord, item 50 is the interim order will continue.
My lord.
Interim order. Item 18, 57.
18th of December.
I think notice is to be
My lord,
noticed.
that is no, my
Not
answer.
yet served.
Answer, my. That's for response number
So
2.
we'll pass an order for the purpose of notice.
My junior,
We'll adjourn it and on fix it on 18.
My lord. And moreover, my lord, probably LCR also not for my lord.
That's why we'll pass an order on that.
My lord.
Let it remain.
No,
We will pass.
May Lordship, I pray for listing of a criminal petition for tomorrow, Lordship. The analogous matters are already listed tomorrow before your Lordship. And further, one more prayer, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 47 of today's list. CD is not available.
Yes.
Earlier rejected by it.
copy of my lord, series not received, my lord, on 15th of December. 15 of 14. 14 of December.
14 December.
I beg you for listing my lord on 1st of December, my lord.
What
Criminal
list?
petition, my lord. On criminal
Motion.
47.
order, my lord.
Why?
So long, my lord, long back matter, it was rejected, but it was directed to reach after 3 weeks, my lord. Already
Service
4
is
months.
complete.
Service is not complete, my lord.
Then okay in the orders column.
Order, my lord.
Orders.
Take for listing of a revision
Hmm.
for hearing. A person is behind the bar.
What is the offense? Also is just
No,
that.
your lordship, 26.
What is the punishment? How many days you are behind?
Now,
About 1 month. Wait for some time.
all everything is at hearing. Last of it was
No, it's easy to say final hearing.
no, lordship. Last of it was listed for final hearing, but due to my
Okay. Please sit in the order. We'll fix it.
due motion.
Bail motion, bail application, so far relating to this bench are allowed. But not relating to other bench. Okay. Other bench make mention before the respective.
Hello.
All allowed. No need to mention so far relating to bail. But date will be fixed by them because I'm maintaining a table. Tomorrow, within this week, it will be listed. Tomorrow or day after.
May please.
Yes.
Lordship, I want to mention one IA in criminal appeal. If the person is behind the bar since last 2 and 3 months, when the conviction is for 5 years.
Okay.
Criminal DP case.
Proceeding up.
DP case.
Okay. So 1st of December, otherwise will cross. Not possible. Today is 28. What is the stage? Notice served or not?
Served.
Others is repaired. Okay.
I take to mention item number 8, 9, and 10. These are analogous matters.
This I think pending in Supreme Court.
Is in pending and Supreme
Next
Court has
date is fixed for summer. We have already verified
12th
it.
of March 2024.
So what to do?
After
Adjourn.
Bahati, by the
Okay. Give that.
Yes.
We have downloaded it.
Yes.
Silo appeared. As the matter has further been directed to be listed before the Honorable Apex Court on 12/3/2024. This matter be listed after Bihu vacation. Full stop. The learned councils are permitted to make a mention, not fixing a specific date.
Interim
make
order passed.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. You make a mention, otherwise the listing is no benefit.
Obliged.
So I pray for listing of anticipatory bail action today, Lordship, at the last item. Petition has already been numbered, Lordship, and the petitioner is a practicing advocate, Lordship.
Inside,
No, Lordship. Okay. Anticipatory.
six, 60, CD is not here.
Here, what,
So what to do?
Report not.
Okay, then you wait. We'll. Okay. Tomorrow. Tomorrow? Friday.
All right, back to mention this matter for listing matter.
Ah.
In this case, my lord, we are the owners of the cows matter. The order was given to release our cows. Till then, order this is not released. Case is not in motion, my lord. Status report are called for. They were appeared. 2 weeks were granted on 8/11.
8/11 to whom?
To the opposite party for meeting the status.
So what is the next date?
Next day, 2 weeks only given. No fixed date is there.
Okay, you inform them, we'll fix a date, consensus, will obtain a report. Okay,
They were already appeared, my advocate
for whom?
for the respondent number 4.
Now we need a report from the IO, is not it? Report-
Report. Actually, there's short time, my lord. Report are also submitted.
Report is
yes,
on the
yes,
record.
yes.
Okay,
Day after tomorrow.
Friday.
May I please proceed?
Yes.
Proceed, I beg to mention item number 58. Let me kindly pass it on for the day.
No, hearing.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed in the month of January on a date to be fixed by them. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 19
Item number?
90. The learned council is accepted.
Yes,
Yes, there is there.
okay. When?
Please.
Huh? Not possible, Chief Secretary from any method. 8 of
May I please, lordship?
Yes.
Lord, bail, there is a bail application which is fixed today, lordship, but it has not come.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That it is fixed today?
Yes, sir.
When it was fixed? Last date?
Still here.
No. What was
When-
the last date?
Last date, lordship,
When this matter was fixed today?
last date.
Last date. There was a direction to fix this matter today, is not it?
Yes.
When that direction was passed? When that order was issued, that list this matter on such and such. Then only we'll verify whether it is fixed today.
24.
24. See the if fixed matter, then allow. Give the number.
My lord, I'm praying for testing of a criminal petition matter on 13 April. Just that question
30.
What stage?
it
It was for
for
causing of what?
of
The causing of
testing of
Proceeding. Criminal proceeding.
criminal proceeding. Other side appears
the
test taken,
checking
service is complete.
Already they have appeared, no?
We have appeared on 16th.
Okay. You when?
On 30/11.
3011.
30.
No, not possible.
December.
December 2nd week.
Kindly may my lord keep date.
1412.
14.
Yes. Item number
43.
43.
Yes, my lord. So, it is not available.
15. Okay. When?
December 1st week.
Give the date. 412.
May I please, your lord? First, I beg to mention item number connected item number 68. We have filed an affidavit matter that may be called.
Item number 68. Who are you?
And the petitioner, my lord.
What affidavit you have filed?
Affidavit regarding the petitioner have appeared or not before the IO.
Okay. Avlek.
May it please your lordship, lordship, I beg to mention for the listing of a criminal petition. The orders follow your lordship. It was last taken up on 21st July, but the order was passed to be listed for after 2 weeks. It was not been-
Why it was adjourned? Any steps is complete, service is
Yeah,
complete.
your lordship, records were called for, wrong
Received.
records were received.
Now, then,
And it was, an order was passed to the registry for the correct.
okay. Okay, fine.
Bring for
Uh-huh.
for listing the matter.
Listing. What matter? Revision,
Criminal petition
criminal petition. What stage?
for admission. This matter has law 2051.
Notice service is complete. Are you sure? Be confident. If not sure, go and verify whether service is complete, then we'll take it. Okay? Maligaon. Case date is here.
Yes, my lord.
That
Yes.
case date is here. We asked that this will take it up.
My lord. Yes.
Second application. Earlier we rejected.
85 days.
Is the last, what was the order date? What is the last Friday's item number?
4133/23, Daily application, 4099/23, and 4001/23.
Well,
Last Friday, my lord.
I'm coming.
And that is there. You can now return the case date. I think this is the last.
Last one.
This is the last. Almost 8-9% here we have given around 4. Now this is second time the arrest.
Yeah.
Okay. Disposal. Same to the satisfaction of
CJM Kamrupan. Public.
yes, somebody.
Pay for the info. I'll file my Ukalatama.
What is the case about?
Lordship, saying that I have put out some finance, e-rickshaw.
Okay, that lady.
Yeah.
How many days?
8 days. Lordship, only the problem is there are 2 years.
Jalukbari.
Chalo, my lord.
Earliest. Let him have a satisfaction.
6, my lord.
6.
4, 6, 4, my lord.
4. Monday.
Much obliged.
I read section 20, my lord, 41.
This is item.
Item 59, something, my lord. The rest of the 1511, my lord. Only education is, my
Who
lord.
are you?
I am the owner of the vehicle. And other one is the conductor, my lord. I was not actually present there. I have been called by the police. Then
And subsequently, the driver and some
Yes,
handyman.
they have stated to me helper. Actually, in fact, I am the owner.
Okay.
Now 12 days, but whether further custody, everything seized, my vehicle seized.
Vehicle is
PIN box
seized,
seized,
log
everything
is seized. Okay. Considering the nature of allegation and also the fact that the vehicle by which the alleged illegal what is called it log wood log,
Timber.
illegal
Timber log.
timber, alleged illegal timber were carried has already been seized along with the timber. And also consider that the petitioner was not present at
Yeah.
that point.
One petition number two was not.
Petition number two, no, not necessary. And the period of detention, it's footage of the future. No
CGM Kamrup Metro.
further custodial will be needed. CGM Kamrup
Kamrup Metro.
Metro. Yes, Bhattacharya, what to do?
Same, school PS case number.
Same. Vision man. One is
I-
in the earlier case they were not granted bail.
Granted bail.
This also.
No, in this,
First FIR bail granted.
Yes, good.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, same. Then same. I thought that first was also not granted.
Yes.
Much of that.
Yes, Bhattacharya, some instructions were supposed to be there. Goroimari.
My lord, probably I will, till now, report not yet received, my lord. After some time, I will try to get it.
Could you have it? Otherwise, if that something is there, give him a copy, let him file a separate application.
Yes.
If not there, we'll close it.
Yes.
If he is not having any apprehension, if police says they do nothing, we'll give him a notice or whatsoever. Okay. After some time.
After.
Matter 438 application.
Uh,
Allegation matter is of kidnapping of informants by the children. Page number 13, my lord.
Considering the nature of allegation and the circumstances narrated in the affair, and also the fact that the victim has that an affidavit purported to have been sworn in by the victim is annexed with the present petition, stating that the victim was not kidnapped by the present petitioner, nor she was misbehaved by the petitioner. Considering the above as an interim measure, appear before the IO, give a statement. 10 days.
Both agree.
Both agrees.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I am the employee of that particular shop, lordship. I am not the proprietor, and on that day I was present.
City interim.
I leave that.
On my lord, 19th of December.
19th. Earlier was also 19th, na?
Earlier. 40. But no.
That is just now the interim passed by the victim. She has shown in an affidavit.
Yes, on 19th.
19th. Yes.
The owner of the cattle.
Huh?
Owner of the cattle. lordship.
City interim.
3rd of January.
3rd of January. City interim.
4th of January.
4th of January.
Here two applications are there. One application, lordship, that item number 12. I have challenged the order whereby extension was granted. And in second case, the item number 11, I am seeking bail. So lordship may take up item number 12 first. That extension order goes, I will be entitled for.
We'll take after some time. Let the short matters be over.
Maybe
It will be contentious, I think.
Yes, it will take some time.
It will take some time.
Tomorrow,
Only small issue is there already.
No.
on 2nd of some.
Okay, we'll have it tomorrow.
Sure.
But or we'll finish up the other matters we can take up if possible today.
Today in 2nd half.
We will not go to second half anyway. Anyway, we'll just not adjourning right now.
Sure.
If you are available, we'll take it up
Sure.
today. If not,
Sure.
tomorrow. Okay. Problem.
For time being, my lord, like in
Time being.
13 LCR, 13.
Just go through it. All else here. Yes, go through it. Huh?
Just done.
One, two.
But I have seen my
This is NDPS.
NDPS and with independent witnesses are supporting the case of the prosecution.
What is the ground for release? Time being.
Time after.
Okay, we'll take this LCR matters after the list is over.
Yes, ma'am. Because we have to also go.
You go through it.
16 also, my lord. I am just
Up to I think 18. We'll
Yes.
take after not 18. All are LCR up to
All-
24.
all the.
You go through it. You go through it.
Yes.
You divide yourself and go through it. We'll finish it. Up to 24 a little bit later. We'll see. We'll see. Let us. Now problem is that people not be there. Okay, wait for a while. That will go. Yes. What about?
Well, case they received, my lord.
Yes. What is the affair?
My lord,
12.
Affair is at base.
12.
Yes. Tell us why should we grant you bail?
Is arresting in my lord.
My lord, here the allegation two categories, wildlife allegation and also, my lord,
Arms Act.
arms, my lord. Against the arms, my lord, Lord will find at page 12.
I've seen, I've read that.
My lord, the person was arrested on 9/9/2020. So, my lord,
What is the period?
yes, my lord, on 19/9, shown arrested on 19/9/20. Today is 80 days, my lord. Earlier arrested in respect of a wildlife protection case, and now, my lord, regarding arms.
What is the stage of investigation?
My lord, that, my lord, pistol is recovered from his possession, my lord. And as per expert opinion, exhibit number 1, that is pistol, marked A is a firearm. It is handmade and serviceable.
19/9.
19/9.
How many days?
Well, 80 days.
Why don't you file a 30 instead of bringing the 3 days? So difficult, Mr.
My
Sikdar.
lord,
Very
nothing-
difficult.
Nothing remains now, my lord. Investigation, my lord. Investigation is over.
Very difficult.
Only 10 days left.
Within 10 days, many things may happen.
Yes.
Charge sheet may be filed.
That has not been filed. Inquiry is over, my lord. Everything, all materials have
That
been
is always not the only consideration. Why this iron nail?
That is, my lord.
Huh?
That is handmade pistol. Last portion of email.
Not only there are some other methods,
Yes,
even a horn of rhino.
100.
Hello, there is a separate case and that case he has already been granted bail.
Considering the nature of offense, my lord, he is not entitled to bail at it. I may be allowed to return back the case diary.
Length of detention.
We'll see. We'll apply our mind. We'll see. I'm not very much inclined to grant you bail the way looking at the material. We'll see. Not decided. We'll see.
Right.
Sit in the chamber.
Lordship, item 25. So sorry.
26. Yes, come. Come for.
Lordship, item 25.
We do not know that has gone. Yes, next.
My lord, 27 and 28, my lord, LCR received, my lord. I will have to go through the LCR.
Okay, you go to it. When? Today?
Today, my lord. At 2, my lord.
Okay. We have to. No way out. Tomorrow.
My lord, day after tomorrow.
Day after. Tomorrow. Go through it. You go through it today.
Yes, yes.
Just mark it. 27, 28. What?
29, my lord, LCR not received.
Huh.
Can you please-
Let's scan office note. So office note dated 8/11/2023 reflects that notice of Dusty has due notice to Dusty services duly received by the learned counsel for the petitioner. However, there is no reflection whether such steps have been taken or affidavit has been filed. Accordingly, registry to list this matter. Next week, give a date. Is this matter on? No, give thereafter because no 12 2023.
29.
12.
29 LCR not received. For December.
All LCR, we will have to go serially.
Yes.
Item 30.
30 mother can you pick it up?
LCR has come.
Case there is this.
LCR, case there is this. Okay.
Like
Yes, Bhattakur, want to go through?
Yes, my lord. 31, 32, and 33, my lord.
When?
Uh,
Today?
My lord, today many
Or day
other
after?
LCR picked, my lord. Yes,
You go through it today itself, we'll
Yes.
take it up day after tomorrow.
day after tomorrow. Yes.
Okay? These are all NDPS.
31.
2 days in the
That is not the only concern. What is the commercial or
commercial 25. Day after tomorrow.
day after? You'll have to have a satisfaction.
My lord.
But Bhattakur handle with the recent judgment.
Yes.
that even this period is gone, 37 rigor is also not. What is the judgment? Recent judgment. Honorable Apex Court. Whether that is a somebody relied on that. Mr. Mannan, we said that whether that is a ratio or not, you'll have to address.
Selim,
Yes. What is the judgment?
Selim,
Give those judgment.
Hima-
Give it to them. We'll take a call. Yes, Mr. Kal. Then, whether this is a binding precedent.
No, Lord. Some judgment passed by that this judgment has not been completed. I find out sufficient judgment to.
That is the issue we raised
Yes.
because Mr. Mannan showed that judgment saying that this is the proposition of law. The 37 rigor first condition is not even
There is
necessary.
one judgment that is called Muhammad Muslim. In that case, Supreme Court held that in case of NDPS, section 436 capital A will be applicable. This is the law laid down in that. In Ravi Prakash, the facts of the case was different. And no, as per my confirmation, no law has been laid down. And that is passed by two judgments. There are about 6 judgments passed by the 3 Panchayat, where it is said that the rigor of the section
You exchange it. We'll hear when we have fixed that matter. Your matter tomorrow. Okay, we'll take
Yes.
up this matter
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes.
Tomorrow. If possible, give me the judgments today. Or you can give the citation, we'll get it. Yes.
I don't know.
Behind the bar for last 87 days here.
What is the affair? Where is the affair?
Affair is page 11. This Botali police case, petitioner was the driver here.
Case diary not received, my lord.
It's 87 days behind the bar.
What is the affair?
Affair page 11 here.
How do we read it?
All the police person arrested Botali case demanded money from one.
No, we are not supposed to know all those things that you are saying that like you'll have to read the judges, you'll have to read the newspaper and know.
Page 11.
You read it.
Lord.
Is it possible? How registry passes this kind of thing?
I'm reading your. Verification is on 16/7/2020 at around.
That is that can be the ground to reject your bid.
While the complainant and his family members were sleeping peacefully in his house, suddenly some male and female police personnel forcibly entered into the house by breaking the door of his house. As it was late hours of night, his family members who were also sleeping at that time in
At
their
least
rooms,
to go to the, my lord, FIR, I need
So
some
that-
time, my.
I also need some time.
Yes, my lord.
You just go to it.
Yes.
Get it typed. Get it typed and come back.
Yes.
Okay.
Next is all. What is the 439 application, my lord, the case diary was called from. Here,
What is the affair?
FIR also find that it starts from page 13, my lord.
Same, Mr.
44. Very long is FIR, my lord.
Longest is not a problem. Problem is the how can we read it?
No, this is not the, my lord. There is a format, my lord. This is a certified document from page 24.
We understand this is
Page
the,
24
don't give
is-
explanation, Mr. Chopra.
Well,
We know this is the certificate, but where is the type copy?
From page 24, my lord. From
Where is the type copy teller?
Yes, from 24, my lord.
We say that
Yes.
because
Yes, sir.
there may be certificate copy, but there is High Court rule
Yes, sir.
that you cannot annex all these
Yes.
kind of things. Yes.
From 24, my lord, it's a very longest FIR, my lord, 22 pages, my lord. My lord, the gist of the allegation, my lord, here, my lord, Lord, may kindly pass to page 25, my lord.
CD is there.
Mileage 3 is my case there is.
So here, my lord, should find, my lord, around 6 persons are named in the FIR, my lord. And so far the present petition, accused petitioner is concerned, my lord, he is at number 65. So now, my lord, here, what happened, my lord, that accused person number 1, my lord, one Pushdeep Bansal, my lord. He is a fortune teller, my lord, like, my lord, that duties, my lord. So he is based not in Assam, my lord, outside the state, my lord. My lord, he allegation is that, my lord, he induced, my lord, the complainant side, my lord, stating that he has high connection with some higher up in the state of Assam, my lord, and more particularly in a council, my lord, that chief of that council is known to him. So there is a
Who is
requirement.
accused number 2?
Accused number 2 is that, my lord, Partha Bharadwaj, my lord, who is possibly, my lord, who is stated that he is having a high, he is the MD of the council, my lord. Whether that is true or false, my lord, that I am not aware, my lord, but possibly he is having some post in that council, my lord, as we have learned subsequently. Now,
Who are you?
I am, my lord, number 6, my lord. My lord, my lord, the associate of that, my lord, to be fair enough, my lord, that number 2, my lord, associate of that, my lord, and it will also go through the whole of the affair, my lord, subject to what my lord, the city and state, my lord. There are 2-3, my lord, allegations against her, and her names appear only on 2-3, my lord, occasions, my lord. And that too, my lord, at the time of the inducement regarding, my lord, that requirement of some commodities in the council, my lord. In the name of that, my lord, some work order, my lord, MOU was given and work order was issued, my lord. So, my lord, our role, my lord, as I do understand, my lord, subject to clarification, my lord, he was there, my lord, on 1 or 2 occasions when this meeting took place, my lord, between the representative of the, my lord, the complainant side, as well as that number 2, my lord. Now, my lord, the inducement part and whole conspiracy started with that, my lord, number 1, my lord, as per the allegation, my lord, that Bansal and his associates, my lord, 2 persons, Saswant Singh Bundela and Harish Bansal and Bhagel, my lord. So these persons are all from outside the state, my lord, and so far the present petitioner is from this state, my lord, and work orders to the tune of several, my lord, crores, my lord, was, my lord, issued in favor of the complainant side, my lord. Now, my lord, there is possibly no misappropriation of government money. Rather, my lord, what happened, my lord, in the name of that fake work orders, my lord, around,
How many days you are behind?
my lord, 41 days, and lordship, my lord, here, our part, my lord, is only till, my lord, that MOU and the work orders were
Group.
issued.
There is no specific, you cannot, subject to what you say,
Yes, yes.
you are a part of a whole group.
No, I understand. What I mean, my lord, what I mean by with
Number 1. Number 2, everybody has played different roles.
Yes, yes.
We cannot take that, no, she has no role, so let her go.
No,
We'll
no,
have to see
yes,
whether
definitely.
the basic principle of granting, if we
Yes.
grant bail, we grant to everybody.
Yes, yes, I
But
understand.
it's not a case that
No, no,
you
my
can
lord,
make
so,
out a
my lord,
separate case.
my lord, because 20 pages, if I read, my lord, it will take so much time, my lord. That's why, my lord, I'm being specific.
No, no, you show us that.
And my
Okay.
lord, here, my lord,
Mm.
subsequent that work order, my lord, what happened, my lord? This supply was made, my lord.
Mm.
During the supply time, my lord, supply of the commodities, my lord, like blankets, bags, and everything, as per the allegation, my lord, her role is not there, my lord. Absolutely not there. And the inducement part regarding that supply part, my lord, is not her. Her role is absolutely silent, not a single line.
Your role is, I'll tell you what is your role.
Yes.
Your role is that you have been brought as a Assam government official.
Yeah.
So they were confident
I
that
understand.
this
my
is
lord.
the
No,
officer.
I understand. Absolutely correct, my lord. Absolutely. What I meant, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the work order,
Mm.
after that, the supply
And
part.
for your personality, maybe
Right.
they are convinced that you are a government official. So let us supply the order.
My lord, here, my lord, kindly see, my lord. My lord, they are also not clean, my lord, because there are no tender, my lord. How can the complainant say that they are absolutely clean? There is no tender, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. And another aspect, lord, kindly see, my lord. Here, my lord, our role.
That it will be taken note of whether they can be the accomplice, whether they are the co-accused, whether they will get benefit under any provision of law. That will let us see.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, around 4 or 5 crores was paid to the complainant side also. But to that from a different account, my lord. That is not from the council, my lord. So here, what I pray, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the petitioner, my lord.
What is the total supply order?
Supply around more, my lord, 63, my lord, crores, my lord. 63. And my lord,
How much that supplied? Material supplied.
Yes.
Now where this material is gone?
My lord, gone to, my lord, they have in the FI it is stated, in a quota, my lord, it was taken, my lord. Where it is gone, my lord, I am not aware, my lord. But kindly see, my lord, here, my lord, that so far the sections of law are concerned, my lord. Lordship, here, my lord, the case has been registered, my lord. All sections, my lord, are 7 years punishment, except, my lord, Lordship, kindly have a look at, my lord, 255, my lord. section 255, my lord. That part, my lord, that is life, my lord, and 90 days, my lord. And whether, my lord, you kindly see, my lord, from the diary, my lord, whether that section has been attributed or not in the instant case. Because here, my lord, if I limited understanding, my lord, possibly, my lord, that stamp, my lord, stamp was possibly not used in this,
255.
my lord. But government stamp, my lord, and you will also see the explanation, my lord, here. Possibly, my lord, 255 relates to counterfeiting government stamp, my lord. Because here the allegation is that number 2, accused number 2, my lord, he was having, my lord, a my lord, office, my lord, wherein, my lord, all these things were there, my lord, that is the allegation. But regarding stamp, my lord, because in explanation it states, my lord, if I read it, my lord, a person commits this offense who counterfeits by causing a genuine stamp of one denomination to appear like a genuine stamp of a different denomination. So possibly, my lord, that Dolin, my lord, possibly that part may not be there, my lord, subject to what is there in the case diary, my lord. So, my lord, here, my other offense, my lord, 259, that regarding possession, my lord, of this counterfeit, my lord, stamp, that is also available. 260, using it also available, my lord. While having a possession also, it doesn't possibly come against the present petitioner, my lord, that is 7 years. Making or selling it is 7 years, my lord. 417 and 419 are available offenses, my lord. And, my lord, 420, my lord, may be affected, my lord. And for 465 is also available, my lord, punishment for forgery, my lord. And only the 466, 468, those are non-bailable offenses, my lord, forgery for that public document and everything, my lord. And 468, that is forgery for the purpose of cheating, my lord. Now, my lord, other parts, my lord, 471 also bailable, my lord. And 472, Lord, you kindly look, it is life, but it is bailable offense, my lord. 472, my lord. That is peculiar, my lord. It is life, but it is a bailable offense, my lord. And 474 also having possession, it is bailable, my lord. 506 is bailable. And special act, my lord, 7(1) and 2, my lord. That also possibly, my lord, that 60 days period. And here, my lord, he is in detention, my lord, for around, my lord, 40 days, my lord. And taken into police custody, my lord, for 3 number of days, my lord. And thoroughly interrogated, my lord. And if
Not at this stage.
well, if a lordship kindly have a look at the forwarding report, my lord, second forwarding report, my lord.
It is there.
My lord, lordship kindly see whether that sections is attracted or not, my lord. 452, my lord. And
See
kindly
a little bit later.
then let it come up after some days. So kindly, my lord, kindly have a look at page 47, my lord. 3 days police custody, thoroughly interrogated, my lord. Kindly have a look once, my lord. I leave it to your lordship discretion, definitely, my lord. Kindly have a look at page 47, my lord. 3 days police custody, thoroughly interrogated, and no further custody was sought.
I have like each and everything.
And another part, my lord, I am just highlighting before lordship, my lord. Kindly see here, my lord, page 13, my lord. The occurrence, my lord, it took place, my lord, on from 18/9/22 to 1/6/23.
It's continued.
No, not
it's continued.
Well,
I'll tell you, even your client, the accused number 6, represented themselves to be the government office. They continued with negotiation. Your client specifically, presenting herself to be a government officer. Allegation, this is allegation. Now subsequently, work orders of crores of rupees approved by a signed order of the Chief Principal Secretary of the Motok Council. That itself is alleged to be fake. Now, seal signature. Now, how you say that your client is the front? You may be a scapegoat. You may be a scapegoat. You might have got some little money, but you are the person who represented. Actual thing has been done by your client. He might have a personality to present himself that he is a senior officer.
My lord, kindly one aspect, my lord. I leave it to lordship discretion. Definitely, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. The occurrence, my lord, they come to know about the whole occurrence on when, my lord? 1/6/23, my lord. The FIR was lost after 4 months, my lord. There's such a big, my lord, house, my lord.
That's an efficient modus operandi.
4 months.
Stands rejected.
Kindly at this stage, my lord.
At this stage, of course, at this stage.
My lord, that others are 7 years punishment. Kindly see, my lord. Only one section. my
At
lord.
this stage, Mr. Chaudhary. At this stage.
My lady 437, kindly.
How like? If
437.
you want to argue, is yes, so we'll have to give a reason order.
430.
Yes, argue.
430 is a lady, my lord. Some, my lord, if possible, my lord. And my lord, arrest should be the last option, my lord. Lordship knows, my lord, that SS mattress
Yeah,
case,
maybe.
Joginder
That we
Singh's
know,
case.
that's why we are so liberal.
I'm not putting burden
That's
upon
why
lordship,
we are
my
so
lord.
liberal.
But 437,
But
kindly.
in not all the cases. It's commercial offenses that. See, you
My
think
lord,
of a situation,
I'll
somebody will manufacture, maybe they might have
at this stage,
idea
only
that we'll have a backdoor entry. Therefore, that law will
My
take
lord,
its own
that-
course.
that might-
Government will take action. I think so.
My lord,
Mr. Makhan is there, he will advise properly.
my lord, that line, my lord, at this stage, kindly.
At this stage, of course.
My lord,
At this stage. Of like.
much obliged, my lord. Highly obliged.
Better.
Yes.
The 439 bill application, vegetable corporate.
City not applicable.
PT 439.
439. Depends on the seizure tool. From the Bokista police.
Yes. Serious election. That's why we have not granted. How many days?
44 days. Not a single whisper against the matter.
Huh. Who is this brother-in-law?
I am the father of the
You are the father of
father,
the.
yes. Page number 11. Next.
You are father of the that person.
No, no.
Father of the deceased.
Father-in-law of the deceased.
Father-in-law of the deceased.
This is not a single whisper in the proceeding against
Yes.
the matter.
See, there is. I think there may be a doubt.
City is required.
Because Sri,
It is.
her mother, that is an ex-husband.
Yes, sir. I am the
This is
father, father-in-law of the deceased.
When can after?
From Bokista law.
Bokista.
First, my lord. First edition.
Past Bokista. If he is no allegation on the face of it.
30th.
Third. Not third is a Sunday. You give a date Friday?
Friday.
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 LCR received when? We have fixed all the matters tomorrow, but this may not be the same ground.
37, I think we also not received. As per police, not.
Nine. Has not been repeated. Registry to issue reminder for the registry to issue reminder calling scan copies of the case record as has been directed by this court. Full stop. In view of office note dated 14/11, registry to issue reminder. Okay. List when 11.
It will show lordship, commercial quantity lordship. 30
Also not received.
There is no office note. Case diary be called for. Certificate. Okay.
Well,
Okay. This court under its order dated 9/11/2023 call for the case diary. Full stop. Those call for the case diary. Case diary of Kotkoti PS case number 15 of 2023. Full stop. As the case has already been certified, registry to call for the same along with the record of special NDPS case number 33 of 2023 along with the aforesaid case diary from the learned
special court lordship.
learned from the court of learned special judge within bracket NDPS Karbi Angla Difu. List this matter on it. In fact, no, nothing has been requested because only said that call for the case there is no scan copies, nothing. So we have clarified it. Give it. May not be possible. Give a little bit later because they will have winter vacation. Okay. Give a date January. 5.
I have a small query, Lord, regarding item 14 and 21 Alcera there, whether it is fixed tomorrow, Lord.
No, no,
We'll
already
take.
gone from.
We'll take
after some time.
We'll take.
Lord,
We'll take.
much obliged.
We'll call those matters once again.
No,
Let us finish up other matters.
Just now, Lord, you have told that.
No, that some other matters. 3
Lord,
matters.
Lord, much obliged.
Yes.
Much.
It is a 439 application, my lord. FIR is at page number 11. Letter it is well file merit. Petitioner
CD
is
not
two, my
received, my lord.
Petitioner
Who is respondent number 2?
respondent number 2 is the my lord Bright, man.
How many days?
56 days, man. They have a
Where is
file
the
of
FIR?
well 11, man. Page number
Who
11.
lost the FIR?
My lord, secretary comes CM for Nisuka Gaon Panchayat.
Page 11. Considering the period of detention and that FIR has neither been lost by the victim or by her parents, but by the secretary come CMPO 46 number Nisuka Gaon Panchayat. To the satisfaction of?
My lord, Borpeta, CGM Borpeta.
Will it be CGM Borpeta? It will be special court.
Special,
Special judge Borpeta.
Special just spoke to Borpeta.
highly obliged.
Yes.
CD
Uh-huh.
CD not received, my lord.
From Boko lot, that's the 24 days, the 30 lot. In between 1 year,
CD is required.
How many days?
24 days.
Huh?
24 days.
CD one chance, my lord. On 6, my lord.
Too early.
Yes.
Heroin too early. 24 days.
6/12.
6 days. Yes.
CD not received.
Huh?
CD not received.
City not received. What is the allegation?
The petitioner behind the but it's just that
What is your age and what is the age of the girl?
it took the got for 11 years.
Huh?
11 years.
11 years.
11 years age of the girl. What is your age?
Why is acceptable?
So these are, my lord.
When?
Kopraja, my lord, on 7, my lord.
7. Yes.
The accused counsel is the court number 6, but in the midst of hearing, every has requested the court to make it a true. I'm not the accused,
You are not?
not the engaged counsel. He is requested. He is in the midst of
It is
hearing.
there.
Case received, my lord. He is the purchaser of those stolen.
Purchaser.
Yes.
Who is the counsel?
Puneet Garodia, T. Garodia.
T. Garodia.
He is in jail since 9/11.
Considering the length of detention and that and also the fact that the material alleged which stolen has already been recovered.
Yes.
To the satisfaction of?
My lord, not all articles were recovered.
Not some of the articles.
Some of
Item number?
item number 40.
No, sorry. To the satisfaction of?
To the satisfaction of my lord, CJM.
This is the forwarding report.
CJM test.
This is the forwarding.
This is AP, my lord. Oh, PA.
Yeah.
Forwarding,
It's no forwarding is there.
forwarding not an expert.
How can that be? How will you say that the nature of period of detention?
CJM unit test.
No, this was the forwarding.
Forwarding report is not in the my lord petition.
How can we say that he was arrested and produced on such and such? Ask Mr. Garodia.
Yes.
Here Lordship, item number 62 is criminal petition, 61 is bail application. Lordship. Here fact of the case is that Lordship, from a branch Lordship, from 2 persons.
This is item number?
2 items, 61 and
61 and
62.
62 LCR receipt my lord.
This is in this. No, any Yes, what have we gone through it?
Yes, my lord. Total, my lord, 23 point, my lord, 23 kg, my lord, 8 gram of, my lord, ganja were recovered from the possession of the present accused person.
From the accused person, your Lordship, on the
8.7, my lord, along with
8.7 kg was
8.7 kg recovered from him.
along with, yes, from one another person, my lord, from the same place, from that same, my lord, bus, my lord.
He want to say that these are to be treated as two different quantities and therefore not commercial.
Yes, Lordship, from the FIR table, Lordship, will find 2 different physicalities is there, different timing is there, and persons, both persons hail from different states, Lordship, one from Maharashtra, one from Bihar. They are from different states, no connection at all, Lordship. From the FIR also, your Lordship will not find there is any allegation of conspiracy. If conspiracy is not there, they cannot club it together, Lordship. If they say that yes, there was conspiracy, then only section 29 will come. Lordship.
There is no search sheet, no allegation of
No,
conspiracy.
trial is going on, my lord. Case is now at the evidence stage.
In the FIR itself, your Lordship
No,
will
we'll
find.
see the affair. Why are you saying that it cannot be a case of conspiracy? On what basis?
Because they were not, unknown to each other. They were traveling
Can we
separately.
decide that they are unknown to each other in this review petition?
But
What are the materials on basis of which you are saying that they are unknown to each other?
because there is no
There must be some satisfaction that yes, these are two separate incidents. One is of X, one is of Y.
from the Sijal list, Lordship may kindly see that Sijal list, first Sijal list, page 70.
Yes.
Page 17, Lordship will find. Time of Sijal list, your Lordship will find
11.5.
11.5. And second Sijal list, your Lordship will find at page 21. 11:45. And there was no mention about any, that these were recovered on the basis of that statement of co-accused, or there was they were traveling together. Only fact is that they were boarded in the same bus. Apart from that, there is nothing, because they have and probably they can say well, Lordship, that whether in the case it is shown that from where they have purchased those articles. If they are purchased together, then it is a case of then it is a different case. But there is no such material to show that they have purchased the material from same place and they are traveling together.
Okay. One is 11:45, one is 11:50.
11.
At the same place inside the same vehicle.
Same,
Inside the same vehicle.
same way.
Now you want to say that these are two separate
Two
seizures
separate
and there is no allegation of conspiracy.
conspiracy.
Now,
And conspiracy
what
or
are the
abet-
charges? What are the charge sheet offenses under 29 is there?
Yes,
29 is there. For 29 lordship, they have to show that conspiracy or abatement was there.
Uh,
If they can show that, yes, then I have no case.
uh.
But to my understanding of what I have found
What
from
have
the
you gone through the material?
my lord, now the my lord, trial is going
No,
on. My
no.
lord.
Okay,
Yes,
let him let
yes,
for the
yes,
time being accept his argument
yes.
that there is no material, not a single material to suggest. Only you're saying may not be the ultimate thing. So, according to you, have you gone through the case record?
case record of 161 I have seen.
Uh,
That is probably not the subject of my direct
uh. And what are the other materials on the bill? Where is statements are there? Where is the
Yes.
record?
My lord, in this case, their only ground is section 34, my lord. That is
record.
not common intention is not there. So, my lord, they, my lord,
Common intention can we decide like
yes,
that?
my lord.
So for section 29, they have to show that conspiracy or abatement is there.
Mm.
Because otherwise, I will be liable for carrying the contraband which found from in my possession.
What is the stage?
It says now,
Charges are framed, Lordship.
Huh?
for evidence, my lord,
For
evidence.
event charges are framed. They are already in custody for 556 days. 590 days.
Charge sheet submitted on 8/3/23. Now 7/9/23, my lord, last date fixed for evidence.
Where is the charge sheet?
Charges, I have announced in my petition also page 25. 26 onward.
Okay. 765. What is the criminal petition?
765.
It is 498A.
My lord, that is probably a wrong, my lord.
Initially, wrong treasury was sent, subsequently correct.
Subsequently, my lord.
Yes, Bothakur, let's go through it. You have any material so far relating to their any material regarding their common intention or something like that.
Otherwise, my lord, those things will be, my lord, trial is going on in that those things will come up in the trial, my lord.
No, just go through it.
Yes,
Just will
now,
apply our mind. Just go through it.
otherwise, my lord, this is
No, there are two aspects of this matter.
Yes.
You cannot ignore like this. Suppose two persons are kept. There is a provision under law
Yes.
giving certain benefit up to certain quantity.
Yes.
Even regards of the exchanges on the quantity. Now, how will you determine the quantity?
my lord.
Suppose in a bus, two persons are actually they are not linked, but they were carrying.
Yes.
Can you bring them together, all both the quantities together, to implicate that this is a commercial?
My lord, this is their modus operandi. How in this manner they by way of segregating
Understand. So
those who are
therefore, I
commercial
need
con-
some material to show that this is the modus operandi. Something, maybe
Otherwise,
in the CD, but if nothing is there, suppose there is nothing, how will you prove that this is the modus operandi?
from the same, my lord, bus, from same time, same
Will
place,
it mean,
same
is
manner,
it will it mean from the, if that's the only ground, that from the same bus, because therefore they should be clubbed together? Is it the proposition? We'll take it up after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me also think, apply my own, because it ultimately it will have a ramification.
Here I have
Everything is must be based on, because it's a question of whatever we find, that will have a ramification on the trial.
Yes.
Because ultimately, more or less, we are doing an exercise which will have an implication of what charges. Suppose we say that they are not happy, because if we'll have to give a bail, then we'll have to have a counter finding that this is not a commercial quantity. And if it is not, if it is a commercial, if we come to a conclusion it's a commercial quantity, then 37 rigor will come. And that there are seizure witnesses. So we must have a satisfaction at a different level, that there is no likelihood of conviction.
Yeah, I have having one judgment of honorable.
Oh, judgment, forget about it.
Almost similar to my. That two.
Be ready. We want to have
Yes.
the views of this side, because hearing them is very important in an NDP.
my lord, on 412, my lord. There are many other LCRs already fixed, my lord.
Okay,
Tomorrow.
others are fixed.
Yes.
So this is another issue.
Yes.
You give the judgment to me.
On 112.
Don't be under pressure.
No, I'm
Don't be
giving them
under
long
pressure.
time. Today is 28. I'm one on one.
112 Sunday.
Give me the judgment.
112.
One.
112.
Since he has raised the point, we cannot ignore it. We'll have to answer it. That no, at this stage we cannot decide. But this is also settled law that you can frame a charge or do something on the basis of the material before you. That is, there is no different criteria for NDPS. Material, whatever you have collected, that should be the basis of framing of a search or proceeding further.
Yeah.
We may not have a mini trial here, but prima facie there must be something. In a NDPS case, the standard will be different. That's all. But something should be there. The foundation. Where is that foundation?
Paragraph 7 and 8.
Give a copy to him also. This is against the conviction.
Yes,
But the
well,
fact
against
that I'm only on that conspiracy part.
No, that you
29.
will have to also
Because my
address.
criminal-
The stages are different.
Yes, my criminal petition is pending here. That is
No, we understand. Stages are different.
Yes.
Having a satisfaction at the stage of framing charges to discharge you, kind of a discharging,
the form already.
and discharge after the trial is two altogether different thing. That you should understand. Alright. When what about
my lord,
One,
yes,
112? Alright. You address that. This is a conviction. There are
Yes,
materials where evidences were examined. On the basis of that, High Court came to a conclusion that yes, there is abatement.
Yes.
On the basis of those materials, Supreme Court says no, there is no abatement because of these facts.
otherwise, my lord, planning is also there. How to transport all these?
So that whether that is there, your meeting of mind, this cannot be a
It is beyond reasonable doubt state. And this is prima facie.
prima facie. And in
Prima facie
NDPS standard is a bit little bit more different.
Exactly.
Alright. Yes, Mr. Doctor.
It's a chartered case under NDPS.
My lord,
Sorry.
LCR,
Can
Yeah.
copies LCR.
Yes, madam, I'm coming to that matter. Here, my lord, if a lordship plans to pay
I will have to go to the LCR, my lord.
Requisite of scan copies of the updated order sheet called for has not been received yet.
only one thing
That period. Yes, Kabir. From CIS you download it.
Hey, my lord,
April 22.
20 after 2710. Is that it?
yes, my lord. On 10/11/23, charges were paid. Next day, last occasion when this case was for your lordship, at that point of time, it was not up to date. Subsequently, in the evening, it was stated that the case is listed on 23/11. The case was before your lordship on 24. 27.
Okay, we understand.
Now, my lord, only here, my lord, 37 will not apply, my lord. If a lordship turns
I think.
to page 38 for a one.
You want to go through the
But
record?
yes, that he may go through it, but only one point. Figure of 37, whether in this case will apply or not. Because the charge sheet has been laid, page 38 for a one point. Last paragraph,
Yes.
page 38. Hence, my lord, you got it, my lord. Hence, after completion of the investigation and prima facie evidence established under section 24, my lord. Number 1, Kabir Ahmed. I am not Kabir Ahmed. Number 2, Aftabuddin. I am not Aftabuddin, my lord. Number 3, my lord, Abdul Qadir. I am also not Abdul Qadir, my lord. Last, my lord. My lord. My lord, lordship will find, my lord.
Badrul Islam.
Yes, Badrul. Under section 21C of the 29 of the NDPS. So, my lord, two sections are attracted against me, my lord. That is 21C and 29 of the NDPS. So, my lord, if your lordship turns to, my lord, page 18 for a one, my lord.
Now, where you are proceeding? If you want some time to go through it.
So much that rigor of 37 will not apply.
Let him say,
Yes.
you want to say something, you are saying not applicable. He will say it will applicable.
Yes.
We are happy, you are not applicable.
Yes,
Let him have a,
Yes, my
Huh.
submit. He will
we will
take that-
hear your
Yes,
submission.
my lord.
Again, why should we repeat this?
No, no,
Yes,
no.
Bhattakur, when?
Yes.
My lord, on.
Don't be under
on-
pressure,
on-
Mr. Doctor.
No, no, I'm not.
Don't be under pressure.
No, no, I just.
These
want-
are the cases,
no,
don't
he,
be under
no,
pressure.
he will give a reply. Only my submission is that, my lord, nothing has been
Don't
recovered.
let us not it be on the part
Yes, ma'am.
piecemeal.
On 6/12, my lord.
6.
Only that effect, my lord, whether
So his argument will be 29 is there. So therefore, the same will be applicable.
Yes.
I think that will be his case.
my lord, nothing has been recovered from. That is the subject.
Is it recovery will be necessary or to
Only-
bring you 29? That is another question
Yes,
to be answered.
yes, my lord. Only on CTR, my lord, we had a call, my lord. That's why I have it. He,
We'll
let him
see
give,
the what,
yeah,
therefore,
let him give.
we'll have to see the material to bring in event 29. We cannot say that since to come to a satisfaction that rigor is not applicable, we'll have to come to first the conclusion that 29 is not applicable.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Is
why,
not
my
it?
lord. Yes,
So
my lord.
therefore, we'll have to see
Madam,
the
madam, yes.
material on the basis of which you have been brought in under section
Yes, ma'am.
29.
My submission is that, my lord, let him give a reply to that effect. ma'am.
Yes.
Nothing more.
Yes.
On six. I am obliged.
So Bhattago, that is the issue.
Yes,
You
yes, sir.
distribute
I'll
yourself.
go
This
to-
matter will take up and will pass order.
I am obliged.
But the 65 and 67 arising out of the matter.
PA or AP?
The
Yes.
litigation under section 379 Lordship. He has been in custody for 42 days. And the petitioner in
Case
item
diary
number-
not received, my lord.
When arrested on?
arrested on Lordship.
1910, 65, 1910, my lord.
Considering the period.
65 and 66, my lord, 210.
44 days.
Considering the period.
67. And in
To the satisfaction of
Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kamrup.
Both.
Okay. And the item number 66, Lordship, he has been in custody for
53 days.
53 days. Judicial Magistrate,
67 is also from Kamrup.
Kamrup.
Both Kamrup.
All three from
Kamrup, my lord.
65, 66, 67.
yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Again, he will come. Again, they will another bike.
44, my lord.
430 replication.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm on the interim, Your Honor.
44, my lord, case diary not received. Case diary.
44 K there is not.
He is on interim, my lord.
When?
On, my lord, 14th of December.
Why are you fixing all this in December?
January,
Slowly,
my lord.
slowly we'll go to January.
Yes, my lord, on 9th of January.
Let the motions and all be
Yes.
during.
Yes.
When interim is there, you will go to January now.
9-1, my lord.
9-1. Interim to contempt. None appears for the petitioner at all. However, in the interest of justice, it is there.
My lord.
Okay, let us see that. Yes, appeared, them love affairs and all. Anything? His statement is recorded.
Statement recorded.
Statement recorded. Cooperated. Nature of allegation. Non-appeared. Yes.
438 application, Lord.
Hmm.
Second time, Lord.
Second time.
Lord. And the
Second time is a difficult proposition.
case
Yes, where is the affair?
FR 5 principal,
Affair?
12, Lord. And the type copy, Lord, it has been 40.
Earlier, my lord, there are three petitioner. One was this was rejected.
What is the new ground?
It's not, but
Go and come back.
I have
Go there, come back here. This is not a case for 438. Rightly received.
total notice contents of the FIR notice, but if the some gold is recovered from the FIR name case number 1.
Yes.
And only he uttered my name in the notice after arrest notice, but he was available. But otherwise, police is red-handed from the house of the FIR name case.
But he is the man behind.
Yes, my lord.
He is the man behind.
1.8 kilo of my lord, fake gold was recovered. FSL is there. This is a fake gold, my lord, not positive.
But I think he is the main.
Yes. So the 3% came in bike, my lord, with that gold, my lord, to his house when the police said. At the moment they left the bike and the gold, my lord, they fled away. And as per the statement of the accused, he is one of the person, my lord. Other person, I am not uttering the
And
name. my lord.
his
Yes,
residence. His residence.
No.
Not my
Residence of the, my lord, petitioner number,
FIR
accused number 1. He along with three others came in a bike with that gold, my lord,
Okay.
to his house. At that time, police raid, my lord.
So
There,
he fled away.
fled away
Only
along
thing
with the
that
bike
he's
and-
not recovered because he fled away.
yes,
And he's now still
my lord, absconding, my
at
lord.
absconding. Rejected. Yes,
Alright.
very protest. Yes, very protest is better. No new ground.
48 my lord, city not city, my lord.
Any interim?
No interest.
Yeah, here, my lord, direction are given whether yes, file or not.
On
my lord.
last occasion, they submitted or the charge sheet is submitted, but they could not give that number.
You know that charge sheet is submitted.
No, add
No,
two, my
I
lord.
do not.
Add two, my lord, 12 seconds, sir.
2 or if possible earlier.
My lord, yes, my
Public.
lord. 49, city not city, my lord.
Any interim?
No, my lord.
Gold again. When?
392, my lord. 13, my lord.
13.
December.
Highly.
50 also, my lord, city not.
What that fire page number 12.
Huh?
Page number 12.
Page number?
12.
City not city, my lord.
Okay.
Okay, my lord,
CD with FSL.
Lord, 41 my lord, that the proprietor of Satya Enterprise. He has purchased all petrol nuts from local market. I have connected this. Yes,
Let us not go further.
my
Let
lord,
the case there come.
there is no mechanism to find out whether petrol nut original.
That is correct.
And my lord, kindly have the allegation, my lord, is whether the house of petrol. It is strongly suspected that Pari has been smuggled in and have been transported without any tax. Tax being paid, thus causing huge loss to excessor through cheating. And my lord, 430, 379, 429. 379 was there. No one comes forward at that.
Yes.
City not.
I thought that this was right. You change your modus operandi. You cannot even touch moment you say that this is a foreign beetle, origin of foreign. You have only role to inform the custom. And Mr. KL will come and do the needful. They have all the power. You don't have. For the time being, you can do it. And that too, his allegation against him that other villagers, he might be also in. Yes, there is all for is not received, considering the nature of allegation against the present petitioner. Inasmuch as the allegation is made only on the petitioner suspicion, and the petitioner has produced certain receipts claiming that he has purchased some. He's a betel nut tribe. He's a tribe betel nut tribe betel nut trader. It's court things with the interim within 10 days.
My lord, 8th of January, my lord.
8th of January. Record your statement, whatever material you give. This can be stopped only by Mr. Kyle's client. No one else.
Only suspected to be.
That is one, and there is no such huge difference between two materials. Yes.
Yes, city not city, my lord.
Any interim? Not granted. Okay, when?
Sir, my lord. I'll try, my lord, on 8th, my lord.
Do you require an arrest of a person like this? He purchased a bike. Allegation is that I have purchased a bike from X, the accused. Accused says that the bike is transferred, so he has received money. Subsequently, he came to learn that there is a loan here. How can he, without changing the RC, he can purchase? These are commercial things. Where is the police's interrogation is required? Case diary call for his objection, considering the nature of allegation. Interim.
Hello.
Within 10 days.
9th of January.
9th of them. Timing on product. Sale setup. Sale carrying.
I think 1 city.
Yes.
This is a 438 allegation under child marriage lordship. Child marriage lordship, that's true lordship. Now the victim is 8 months pregnant.
Why do you, how can
My
you
lord,
marry a child?
Here, my lord, the pathetic condition I am bring to the notice, my lord. Date of birth is, my lord, 19th of October 2008. On the date of FIR, we don't know the date of marriage, my lord. Date of FIR, my lord, birth is, my lord, age is, my lord, 14 years, 11 months. Now expected date of delivery is 24th of January 24. She will be 15 years, 2 months. My lord.
That's true.
What is your age?
Now lordship 15 years above.
No, no.
You,
20,
your
22.
husband.
Husband is
22 years.
yes, sir.
What to do? This is a social
Yes,
problem.
because of this
Now
type
see,
of affair, my lord.
situation is she is pregnant. They are married. He will be inside jail. And nobody's, the parents is not having complaint. And who is to rope
Others,
in?
my lord, should be, my lord,
Difficult,
behind
very
the bar.
disturbing, very disturbing. But whether
Yes,
anything
yes.
will gain by putting them behind bars.
Yes, my lord, others.
But this is a social issue. This is we cannot help it.
14, 15 years, my lord, they are having pregnancy, my lord.
You do not know how many are going on.
Once, my lord, 11 years. That city not to city.
We roam around for some time. It is there.
City will.
What to do?
But this, my objection is there. This type of question.
Understand? We also understand. It's serious issue. Yes.
Otherwise, this is going on, my lord. Otherwise, no.
Also consider victim is very difficult to give a way. Very difficult. All against all everything we have to pass the order. Yes, next case.
I'm a plus.
The picture का नीचे बता सकते हो तो मैं understand.
Yes.
Submitted that,
No statement.
Yes,
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Co-participant investigation. Nature and material for it. No custodial interest.
Pablo,
FIR is at page number 14.
69, my lord, case diary not received.
What is the affair?
Page number 14.
Yes, when?
And my lord,
72.
With.
Ah.
And the petitioner security guard private for therapy.
You might have to, where you apprehend? You're sleeping. Any cities there?
my lord, on 4th of December.
Not only either you were not present at all, or you are having a nexus with. Yes, Kothakot.
On my 7th of December.
7th.
7th.
I'm taking orders to you. No, no, I will want it first. Then the time. Yes, sir.
Sir, 52 December. 52. and rupees 20, rigorous imprisonment for 5 years and rupees 20,000.
I'm appearing on the report.
Have taken this already.
Where is the LCR? LCR is,
It is,
where do you get the statement of the victim?
My lord, I have not annexed, but there are inconsistencies, my lord. 161 is
Show us first the FIR 164 and the victim statement.
my lord. My lord, kindly page number 18.
18 of what?
That's page number 18, appeal
Page number?
18.
No, will not reach judgment.
Lord, I have not annexed.
Show us the FIR statement under 164
My lord,
and
I have passed.
the victim statement.
Before recorded thus before starting the trial or during the investigation. Medical victim was not medically examined.
What medical examination do you require?
My lord,
What medical examination do you
Some
require?
allegation is that, my lord, violation of section 27 of the Act.
Okay, we'll dispose of the entire matter right now.
My lord.
Okay, we have already applied our mind. Appeal. Argo. Dispose of the IA or dismiss the IA? Tell us what. Now, whether at that point of time it was under seal condition or it was under open condition.
But
Suppose it may so happen that Mr. Mahajan's client has in the meantime
Okay.
broken and
Fine.
taking advantage of that carried that, then it will be a conscious position. And if that is not done, it was broken in a seal condition, then it is not the Mahajan's client.
My lord, even the backside door, my lord,
Ah.
to open it also, my lord, that OTP has to come from Blue Dart. Container is sealed, and the contents of separate
So
containers.
assuming for a moment that it's not a for money, even people are making inside separate trolleys which police cannot identify. We are for the time being we are saying that Mr. Mahajan's client has done it.
Exactly.
Done it. Then also there must be something that already it was openable.
Absolutely.
That must be something must be there.
I don't have the OTP, my lord. I can.
No, suppose
Hey,
assuming
Lordship
that
is
you have
correct. Lordship is correct.
OTP is something else and breaking is something
I
else.
have understood. I have understood.
Suppose it is in a broken door is broken
From
already.
Lordship's query, from my papers, I can answer. My lord, let him answer.
my lord, that will be clear from Caesar list for next question.
Good.
My lord, that will be that is reflected in the Caesar list also. Your Lordship may kindly see
Where is
even
it?
page number.
Caesar list?
64.
What is this bail application earlier?
Similar order, my lord. Oh, Lordship's judgment is also there, my lord. That was, of course, they relate to railways, my lord. Of course, that is a trial stage, my lord. Same, exactly the same, my lord.
From Caesar list, what I could find, my lord, paragraph number 2, my lord, may kindly see description of these articles. One black color trunk written as P. Kumar, E29 BSF so issued by Blue Dart SFC. Then my lord, your Lordship may kindly come to paragraph 4 also. One Chalan White barcode number so issued by Blue Dart Express Limited in the name of Pankaj Kumar Jadhav, address so. Now, in the Caesar list, it is not written whether it was seized under lock and key or it was open. And according to their statements are recorded, my lord.
Where are the statement?
Yeah.
Who was that?
Yes.
It is
They
still
also
like
say they received the goods which were online ordered. And my lord,
Is it a statement of the Blue Dart Authority that yes,
Yes, it
this
is there.
trunk we have
Blue Dart we have annexed, my lord.
then what more is required to
Blue Dart we have annexed. Take a support again, please, kindly. My lord,
if Blue Dart Authority says that yes, this trunk we have sent.
yes, my lord,
is
that
that?
to say, case for, I'm reading 2 pages, my lord. One is 43, my lord. To SHO, where seizure was initially made and case was registered, my lord. Case 43. Lordship has found, my lord. Last line is very important, my lord. Royal Express does not have any role in booking shipment in any way. I am the employees of driver and handyman of Royal Express, service provider. And next page will further clarify, my lord. Security Blue Dart, what they have stated.
So this is the Blue Dart's own document.
Own document. And Lordship, can you look at page 44? Further clarifies, my lord. Their email, my lord, to us, my lord, their security officer from my lord. These are all, my lord, security officers. Himanshu Das. Dear Sekhar from my lord employer. So to Blue Dart, someone, my lord. Please find the trail mail of Vikas self also check the CCTV footage backup not available from
Yes,
20
that was this materials from your case diary, statement of Blue Dart was that.
I cannot open it. No, no way. But Blue Dart has
You have arrested them, fine, but you must, it should investigation trail towards the Blue Dart. Then it will from Blue Dart, it will go who has actually booked it.
Fine.
Then you will have to find out whether actually it has been meant for to the
Hey,
Jadov or
BS
not,
my lord.
whether BSF personnel has done this.
My lord, there it is written that BSF personnel, one character he did not check it, my lord, for getting more business. Blue Dart, my lord. Thereafter, when the seizure was made, they went to the BSF police, my lord, whatever camp, my lord, that BSF man was not found. It is in the apparent in the letter.
That letter is not part
44,
of
my
this.
lord.
No, that's why.
But
Even if for the time being we are not relying on his document, what is your investigation regarding Blue Dart?
Blue Dart statements are not there.
But they were
Then-
going to
They
Tripura.
are yet to be.
Assam police
They-
was, you know,
They are from Tripura.
booked in Agartala.
Yes, there is allowed.
Highly
To
obliged.
the satisfaction of
I mean, I'm taking a minute.
special judge.
Special judge. Special judge. Karimganj. Karimganj, my lord. Karimganj. Highly obliged.
Yes.
Because after comparing type copy, but original affair there is 50.
Huh?
You have to read the type copy of the affair. It's the context of original affair is 50.
You ought to have said that. Yes.
I am a businessman by profession, a proprietor of so-and-so trader, and I have been paying income tax regularly. That on so-and-so that about so while I and my family members were sleeping peacefully in my house, Saturdays some male and female police personnel forcefully entered into my house by peeping into the door of my house. As it was late hours of night, my family members, who were also sleeping at that time in their rooms, thought that Tokai might have entered into the house. When they raised alarm, the police officers duty asked them to keep quiet, and when my wife and my brother and other family members did not obey them, they physically assaulted them and thereafter forcefully entered into my room and forcefully dragged me outside and started to ask me about drugs and cash. As I have no knowledge about any drugs or money related to any such deed, I told them that I don't know anything about it. Hearing the stage, the police official started to beat me by kicks and fist blows for at least 2-3 hours. They have searched my house without any search warrant, and when they could not find anything, they have ransacked my house and took away my car keys, passport, mobile phone, bank account, passbook, ATM card, house keys, and other necessary documents. They also forcibly took me along with my cousin's brother and material uncle with them and illegally detained us in Bhawanipur police station. At around 12 p.m., I was taken to the residence of the Superintendent of Police Bhosali. The Superintendent of Police Bhosali questioned me where have I kept illegal articles. When I clearly told them that I don't deal in any illegal articles or business, he assaulted me and again asked me and the same question. At that
Who
time,
are you?
I am the driver of a police station.
You are the driver of the.
Police station. Bhawanipur outpost.
What about the others? Big shots.
All they are arrested here.
They are inside still.
My lord, I will have to get the case diary. My
Today take 7 days and drive the temporary driver.
What will he do? If the DSP decides to rob people and a driver is taken, what will he do? Have you arrested all these other
All
police officer and all?
SC the top order.
All are inside? Search sheet file?
Release, but I have not find out the author.
Who have been released?
The information, two of them are released. I
Two of
find that
them meaning SP, DSP. That you will know this. Have the instruction.
Yes.
I do not think you require further considering the nature of allegation against him and period of detention. But it should not be the entry point for others.
Yes.
That is where we should be aware.
KDPS 214.
Oh, yes, yes, Mr. Fukan. What happened to
My
other
lord,
cases?
submit my lord.
Against him?
My lord,
Anything?
yes. For all my lord, entire case is submitted, my lord. It is, I have received today morning, my lord.
That's why. That's why I'm asking you whether search sheet is filed.
Yes, yes, my lord. Search sheet file, my lord. That is search sheet number 8/23, my lord.
8/20.
28/11/23. Today, my lord.
28/11/23.
Today morning, my lord. It's
Today.
submit. Because
So
my lord, day after tomorrow.
He might
90
be
days
also an accused.
Yes, yes, yes.
He's the driver.
My lord. Earlier rejected. Like Nabir Ahmed. Nabir Ahmed, I think my lord rejected that. Move out here. My lord, clarify, my lord.
Okay, but otherwise we will say that we will approach the
My
trial.
lord, yes. Madhav,
You keep that number.
My lord, yes.
Fukan has said,
Yes.
so that there may be some
Yes,
other.
WT message I have received.
Yes.
Apply. Okay. It may take very well.
Where is the forwarding report?
Not the forwarding report is not the
How
I have
a bail has been allowed to be registered? How do you know that you are arrested on such and such that you produce before?
not it has not been attacked. It is in my it is direct not.
Why should we direct? We'll make an inquiry registry. Cannot be so much of carelessness. You are before a court seeking an any statement that I have not or I could not obtain because that you will get it.
Not it has been provided to me. It is with me, man. However, not been attacked.
Can that be a ground? No, just be careful.
Yes.
When arrested, show us that.
Lordship arrested on 9/11.
Where do we get that?
Lordship, that statement is there in Lordship page 2 of my court title.
Page 2 supported by what? Page 2 in your court title. There is nothing in your pleading.
Lordship, my pleading also is there, my lord.
So casual you people are, you are dealing with the right of a person
lord,
under Article 21.
3, my lord. Paragraph 3.
Young counsel. Paragraph
3, my lord. That it is respectfully submitted that in connection with the instant case, the police has arrested the accused person petitioner on 9/11/2023. Produced him before the learned.
But this is not the way. We will have to annex. Yes, Bhattakar city is there. How many days?
It is.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, my lord, that my lord initially kept up some of the my lord golden
Gold jewelry received.
Yes, gold jewelry.
Considering period of detention.
He is the purchaser, my lord.
Huh?
He is the purchaser.
Purchasement. Period of detention.
So on teaser list.
And materials so far collected. This court is of the view that no further custodial detention shall be required. To the satisfaction of
TGM test.
TGM test. Be careful, Lord. Be careful. This is the first instance we have. And considering the right of your client. Yes.
Oblige, madam.
Yes. No, instruction not yet. It's मला just telephone after some time.
What was that instruction?
Whether मला subject file or not, we have already talked,
Okay.
but that person is not yet informed.
Then we'll come back at 2.
At 2.
Yes.
Text report number 6.
At 2
No, Lord.
or
He will
tomorrow.
come after some.
No, he said he has some, he will be busy.
Okay, Lord.
Today?
At 2, we have another matter. in-
That's why he said. We'll take it up on day after tomorrow.
Okay, Lord.
Other matters will fix on day after.
Doctor,
He also.
Tomorrow, no? Okay, okay, list it tomorrow. Tomorrow, no? He said it tomorrow.
27, 28, thereafter my lord, 31, 32, and 33 tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Just call it, other may not be aware. Mr. Ahmed is aware. His item is item number 11, 12. No, no? Okay, okay, all informed tomorrow. We'll have to pass an order.
36,
Tomorrow. Okay.
31, 30.
Okay. Okay.
Here LCR is received, my lord. Or as per LCR, in the charge sheet, my lord, 7 witnesses were cited, my lord. Out of 7, 4 PWs have been examined. 164 statement is there, fully implicated him. PW1 is the victim. He has been examined. And my lord, as per date of my lord, birth certificate, there is no dispute that she was a minor at the time of occurrence.
But kindly the page 35 one. It's
30.
5. And it's the 5.
That is flag mark in the LCR also. I have flag mark.
The admitted fact that Dr. Kim Girl was minor at the time of occurrence. Entire incident took place out of lab.
What is your age?
I am 24.
And what is her age?
At the time of occurrence, 17.
And what was your age at the time of occurrence?
Story.
Occurrence took place in middle of December 22, 19th of December 22. And her date of birth is 15/6/2005.
It's a medical exam, medical. Difficult.
330 days.
No, that
At
is
that
not the
at the time of occurrence, he voluntarily went with me. Subsequently, he changed the
What is her
agenda.
voluntariness?
But
Now, what is the role attributed to you?
Lordship, I'm the driver of the truck. Lordship, the recovery is there. Lordship, 150 bottles of Lordship potent phosphorus syrup. Lordship, and each bottle contains 100 ml. Lordship, and the medical analyst Lordship, the FSL report says Lordship 171.2 mg present in the each bottle.
So therefore, there is no doubt that it is a commercial quantity.
No.
There is no doubt that it has been recovered from the
Charge was
truck
same.
and that you were driving the truck.
Right.
It is foundational factor late. And what is your ground for bail?
Down Lordship, considering the length Lordship, at the commencement of trial Lordship, the charges was filed on Lordship 30/11/2020.
So can we do that under 37? What is the prerequisite of 37?
The first part of the opposed and the second of the
No, first part is 37 that we must have a satisfaction. Let us see. NDPS.
second Lordship.
Huh?
First part Lordship opposed by the 50.
Oh, first way,
First by the
50. So we have
opportunity
given
here.
that chance. Now second is
Second Lordship, he might not commit the same offense.
no.
Bail or the court
No.
satisfied Lordship that
That is most vital. Satisfaction. What is the satisfaction? Satisfaction is what? 37.
he is not guilty.
He is not guilty. That is the difficult.
That-
So we must have a more or lesser
Satisfaction is
on the basis of material available. We'll have to have and all these are and not or. So therefore, we will argue that in Muslim Ali, or what was that judgment?
Muslim, yes, Muslim on the
Not Muslim, or Muslim.
Muhammad
Muslim.
Muhammad Muslim.
Muhammad Muslim, it is said that forget about 37, only detention. Now, our idea is whether Muhammad Muslim is a ratio or an obiter applicable to the death case.
the latest case of the Rudu Prakat.
So therefore, we have fixed this matter when?
Tomorrow,
Kyle will do it tomorrow. And her case is day after. Huh?
yeah.
Let it on day after. Okay? Tomorrow.
NCB.
Let it be tomorrow. We'll take all these methods after the bail methods are over. We'll take.
One ratio can be taken.
We'll see whether that is binding. It will take some time, but
Yes.
we cannot deliver the judgment right. Whether that judgment is passed under Article 142 or we have the power to ignore that. Yes, Ahmed. Tomorrow. Okay.
And another item is there, the 21. That is make up
Tomorrow.
the
Okay.
21.
Okay. Tomorrow. We'll continue this week. Second half.
Much obliged.
Okay. This is also tomorrow. I tell give me the item number 20. Item number. This is Munir, your case.
14 and 21.
14, 21 and your is 20. All tomorrow.
22. 20.
Some judgment.
20.
So basically this is the parameter.
21.
Almost you have framed the issues. You will have to address them.
What's open?
Yes, what is this?
In
The
this case,
NCB.
in this case also, Lordship, in this case, Lordship, DPP was arrested on the Chon estate on 5/5/2020. Thereafter, Lordship, party submitted and Lordship charge frame. Then Lordship, out of 40 witnesses cited that they are witness.
What are your grounds?
After that, what happened? Out of 40, 10 witnesses examined. After that, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? Since 17 to 2023, witness examined as PW 10. Thereafter, against the seizing officer, Lordship, warrant issued, Lordship, as per their petition, Lordship. He is not appeared for the court, Lordship. This one Monish Modi is the seizing officer. That's the condition of the case, and in the meantime, Lordship, this honorable court has passed an order against the same case, Lordship. On the basis of this person's statement, Lordship, I was there. And out of these 14 witnesses, my name has not been.
I'm not getting anything. What is this?
This is the order of the other co-accuser in this case.
After search it.
Yes, Lordship. It is that is order 16/11/2023. On the basis of the statement of this person, Lordship, I was implicated. Lordship.
What is the maximum punishment that can be granted to you?
Maximum punishment, if established, in that case, 10 years, that makes 10 to 20 years. But this is only on the basis of the statement of the accused person, co-accused person, which is based on the 67 after Tufansing Johnson, that has no evidentiary value.
See, paragraph 10, up to paragraph 10, the court says what is the law. Isn't it? That this is the law. It should not be prolonged. Satinder Kumar until then K.A. Najib.
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is the law. Now, is it not necessary to come to a satisfaction that the same principle is applicable in the present?
Lordship, that is,
Where is that finding?
Lordship,
Where is that finding? Tell us.
there is no finding, but
If there is no finding, how can it be binding upon this?
so I'm not on that only. Lordship, I have two other judgments which has been passed latest by the appeals court. It's a latest judgment, Lordship, on 14/9/2023. This is regarding same putting Lordship is made a query to that regard. Whether 37 is applicable to twin conditions there, that is satisfied. So that to that regard also Lordship 37 recently Lordship 14/9/2023 and here also this is registered under 21C 21C 29 and the person was incited there for about 2 years and trial is not likely to be taken up for hearing Lordship. In paragraph number 5, 37 discussed Lordship. After having this embargo of 37 Lordship, the Honorable Apex Court passed the judgment in favor of the in our case, he is inside the jail for about
How many witnesses in your case?
My case, 14 witnesses cited by them.
And how many examined?
10 witnesses examined out of 14. Last occasion, Lordship, on 17/3/2023, and thereafter, they have filed a petition to issue a available warrant against their part, against the seizing of it. Then thereafter, he has not appeared. In all cases, he has not appeared. So, because of this reason, because the seizing officer has not been appeared before the
And
court.
who are the other witnesses?
Other witnesses then are 4 witnesses are yet to be.
Who are they?
3 witnesses are yet to be examined, Lordship.
See, 2-3 things you'll have to clarify. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
In case of Satyendra Kumar until, it has been the basic consideration because a law ratio is laid down on a given fact. It was a case, I'll quote. After all, in these types of cases, meaning there was NDPS and other cases, special.
Categorized in Satyendra Kumar until.
After all, in these types of cases, number of witnesses would be very less and there may not be any justification for prolonging the time. So, a basis of passing an order by the Honorable Apex Court is that there will be very less witnesses. So, why you need so much of time?
Same thing happened in his case, Lord.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you say 14 witnesses to be a very small witnesses? Number one. Number two is that what is the conduct of the prosecution? Whether they have failed to produce their witnesses in the due course of time, prolonging the prosecution, or whether it is you for whom the prosecution has been prolonged. These considerations, we are not saying these ratios, we cannot say. Yes, there must be a consideration that prolonged incarnation is bad. But we'll have to see under what circumstances it has been delayed. Because we cannot give a, because 500 days, okay, you go. Okay, this 500 is for under what circumstances? Therefore, we'll see it and we'll pass an order tomorrow. This is number one.
Lordship, see their conduct, witnesses conduct, Lordship. Kindly see the.
So give a list on that.
Lordship.
Because we cannot pass an order that so and so judgment, so as said, so and so, therefore 500 days allowed.
Yes.
No,
We'll have
we
to
are
give a
not
reason
saying
even under 37. Let's see, this is the how prosecution started, and this for this reason there is prolonged, and there is an likelihood that it will be prolonged further. Therefore, you are entitled for bail.
Lordship, on that, Lordship, kindly see the order dated 23/8/2023, petition filed by the prosecution, petition number 2364/2023. Yes, petition for issuing the available warrant against.
Go through these scan copies. Give a note. How it was adjourned, how it was taken, and how many days when it was first searched crime. Thereafter, when the first witnesses was examined,
and when the witnesses
where witnesses examined, how they have caused delay in the prosecution, and we'll see that, and on that basis of that we'll pass.
Recently in Manish Sisodiya's case, where Supreme Court has rejected it, in one paragraph, what I have not got, Supreme Court basically stated that court is to see for whose default the trial has been built. And
Lordship, is it our default? Bail
Oh, no, we are not
then
saying, we are not.
petition, Lordship.
Yes, madam, we are
Fine,
not saying it's your default.
Oh.
We are saying that give us a reason to pass an order in your favor. Showing some judgments will not do before this. You will have to fit in that
And
this
in
case is
this-
squarely applicable in my case.
Yes.
And don't show judgments on facts.
Yes, Lordship.
Don't show judgments on facts. Show a binding precedent.
Yes,
That this is the precedent that even 500 days, forget about anything. You will have to, you will be are bound to release a person. Show us a judgment that Supreme Court says, forget about any facts of the case. If it is more than 500 days, release them on bail. Ignoring section 36. If us show us the ratio, we will just say that this is the judgment quoted, quote unquote, allowed
Yes.
500 days.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, another interesting point is,
So tomorrow,
Lordship,
be prepared. We will not have an easy sailing. You will have to have make a set. That's all.
Lordship,
Exactly, Lordship. In this case, they out of 10 witnesses, nobody witnessed.
There are two views. Okay, 10 witnesses gone, only 4 witnesses remain.
How long, Lordship? Because
So
this is
we'll fix a date.
yes,
Well,
Lordship.
on the case,
We'll give a period.
Lordship, on
If
that
necessary, they will
from
arrest them.
17 to 2023, they could not.
So go through this and mark it. Not in your piece of paper, mark it here and give us the handle.
Lordship, another interesting point is present petitioner. He was involved in another
Oh,
case.
to that regard, I have
Oh, Lordship,
another case.
I have not.
He is involved in my submission. He is involved in another case. He is
Okay,
one.
please.
He wants to say that
Yes,
thing
sir.
Next,
also.
next.
That is also important in NDPS cases.
Yes.
Co-accused already a lot of granted my lord. Of the count that a six witness already examined, all became hostile my lord. I have given
Oh,
the-
that case.
that case.
That's,
Yes,
where is the order?
yes, yeah, I have given. Take up 11 orders, same putting back. Both are together, both of my
Same.
same forwarding, same everything. Take up 11 year loss. 11, 12.
There are so many corrections still remains. Simply mark ভুল হয়েছে correct করবো লাগিব। Can there it be given like this? ভুল হয়েছে যদি correct করবো লাগিব।
About fault. It's not their fault.
All are casual, Mr.
All-
Chaudhary. They will throw anything and everything. And this is your responsibility to it. Okay.
Published.
No, yes, Mr. There is some
I think them Lordship, this case, because in this case, they are inside the jail since 2017. 20 witnesses cited as witness in their final complaint. Out of 20, only 8 witnesses are come.
We'll see that. Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Lord.
Tomorrow. All this NDBS tomorrow.
Then and the matter 23.
24.
20. And yes, yes, Vishas, what is your case?
24
My lord,
items.
my case is that 2 years, 4 months, 6 days as on day.
Ah.
And the progress of the trial is such that not a single witness has been examined.
Pick up tomorrow?
Lordship, it is absolutely incorrect.
So therefore tomorrow.
Yes, Lord.
Tomorrow. Correct, incorrect, we'll decide tomorrow.
Yes,
Now,
We'll
my
give
lord,
a proper hearing
Yes, Lord.
tomorrow. Be ready, huh?
Yes,
Tomorrow
yes,
we'll finish
yes,
it all,
yes.
each and every. First we'll go,
Yes, Lord.
we'll address on the principle of law.
Yes, Lord.
Then we'll go each facts of the individual case.
my lord, while sitting here, my lord, your lordship has said that some issues your lordship has
Ah.
briefed. If we get those issues, my lord, will
That
be
issue is that not as such issue. Here case is that only on the period of detention, Article 21 kind of a scene. Whether rigor of 37 is exclusively to be ignored.
Yes.
In NDPS 37 is there.
Mm.
Satisfaction given is that you must have a satisfaction that he is not guilty. This is not that prima facie. You must have a satisfaction that he is not guilty. Now, there are some recent judgment of the Honorable Apex Court which says that forget about 37. You can be released for prolonged incarceration and so on. Now, therefore, whether that judgment has been passed in exercise of power under 142 or it is a ratio to the effect that even 37 can be ignored when it comes to a contradiction between prolonged incarnation and 37. No, even you need not apply your mind to go for 37.
Yeah,
Or whether these twin conditions will still be necessary.
Your
That's all?
Your Lordship was also indicating regarding section 29 and the parameter.
Section 29 and parameter. Okay. When under what materials are required to continue with the prima facie, suppose you see that two different seizure, two different individuals, two different seizure lists, whether only because the same place they can be brought under section 29 without any other material, additional material.
That's also important.
That is also important. If cannot, then we'll allow them because it's a two separate. From one bus, 2 persons are from 2 persons, 2 materials. Both are not commercial. If you join together, it is commercial. Whether the rigor will be applicable to them until and unless some other materials are available except this fact.
Yes, sir. That is.
If other materials are not available,
then they are.
Yes. Okay. So other methods will, yes, Makhan, we'll come back to. An order of sanction was produced in this court. We have kept it in the record. I think you'll have a copy.
Yes, I have seen, my lord.
So the issue is basically
My lord.
that because there is a Kerala High Court judgment, then Bombay High Court,
My lord.
then it went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court kept the issue open.
My lord.
I
seen,
think so.
Yes, yes. I have seen, my lord, that order.
So if issues is kept open, sanction, therefore two will be whether that one top sanction will vitiate the entire proceeding.
My lord.
If it vitiates, then what will be the next course of action? This is, and whether the question will come that prejudice, that non-grant of sanction has not prejudice.
That is also come.
Whether this issue, so you address that. When?
My lord, next week.
Next week, in meantime, my lord, the LCR also be, my lord, necessary because we have to see what is there in the record, my lord.
Okay, give the item number 56.
My lord, in this case, the LCR is in this court in connection with bail application number T6.
My lord, whether it is original or scan copy. My lord, probably scan copy was called in every case. Are you sure? Are you sure?
In order it was scan copy.
Whether it is come, you verify.
It has come here.
No, we have not stated the moment we call the original record, everything will be.
Yes, yes. That time, my lord, in general, my lord.
We call the scan copy.
Yes. That's why, my lord,
now
in bail matters, that was called, my lord. Probably all documents is not available.
Okay.
So let my lord, fresh order may be passed. If there is available, then we can collect from the registry also.
No, there is a stay. Urgency is there.
Today is 226 day, my
Huh?
Today is 200.
Bail to we are not concerned. This is a quashing. So we have stayed the proceeding. Now bail that
is
court
different.
Look at what about the bail?
My lord,
For this person or some other person?
this person.
Bail is pending.
Yes.
So
So
that is not our lookout.
Right.
Our lookout is that basically
The recognition.
quashing. So whole proceeding is that is the concern. If you can proceed, let it proceed instead of keeping it pending.
My lord, we can this FIR, another capital petition is pending that has been listed tomorrow
For what?
for what?
For quashing same ground.
Same ground.
Same ground. We'll fix it. So D not for Home Ministry appear.
Right.
D name shown.
Senior government.
It
Yes,
will show his name.
56.
Will
Yes,
show his
senior
name.
government advocate Assam.
With his name and your name.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord.
And we'll fix this matter. Give a date. 8/12.
Yes, my
8/12. showing name of in the meantime, registry itself call for the case scan copies of record record of Court of Learned Session Judge Borpeta being session case number 125/2023 along with the case diary of Borpeta Police Station case number 175/2023 be called from the learned Court of the Learned Session Judge.
Apply.
The interim order passed earlier session till the next day.
Apply.
We will pass the same order in the next yes.
Item 57.
Yes.
57.
57 will make you free. When do you want it?
18th
18th, as agreed to
Along
by
with
the
the
Learned Council
chairman.
for the parties. Release this matter on 18th of December 2023. Anything? Do we require anything?
My lord, the
Steps.
step for response number 2 is answered, ma'am. Along with the LCM. LCM. Earlier occasion LCM.
Okay. Registry to call for the one accused. No?
One accused.
We'll call the LCR original.
My lord,
Since there is a
already stays there.
registry to call for the case diary of PRC number 900/2022 from the Court of Learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Borpeta. Good stop. List this matter on 2020 on that date. On that date, an updated service report in respect of respondent number 2 be given. Okay.
Matum.
I've said that.
Matum.
Till then. I'll put it to liquid showing name of Mr. Fukan in Agor case 56 showing name of Mr. Mafan Fukan, public prosecutor, and Mr. Dinat Learned. Okay, we'll go back now. Anything for Thakur?
My lord, as per my verbal instruction, my lord, till now, no, my lord, FIR is such.
But your lordship, as per my instruction, your lordship, yesterday also.
Then I will have to obtain a written instruction from
You have a written so Mr. Borthakur submits that pursuant to order dated 22/11/2023, he has received a verbal instruction that no case has been registered against the present petitioner in Gorumari police station. However, the petitioner submits that yesterday also police visited his house. That being the position, the petitioner can file an affidavit stating the aforesaid fact of police visit to his place, and Mr. Borthakur shall obtain a written instruction from the police that written instruction from the police.
A copy may kindly be.
A copy of this order be furnished to Mr. Borthakur. Please this matter on
my lord
11/12/2023 interim order passed earlier.
There is no interim.
In the meantime, the police shall not. In the meantime, no coercive action can be taken against the petitioner by the Gorumari police.
All right.
What was this, Mr. Borthakur?
48 years, my lord. Charge sheet submitted in.
Charge sheet submitted being charge sheet number
251/23 dated 30/10/23.
Close. Close with permitting the, not permitting, I mean, executive. If so advised. Yes.
For 39 application lordship. Traffic was submitted and charge was claimed under 21C. In last order 22/9/23, it was directed to the registry that PP, the public prosecutor, should be reflected as respondent. It was inadvertent mistake that they have done Union of India NCB. It was been corrected, but in policy still not shown. So I
You
think
want
they
to show the name of NCB?
no, it should be abolished because it's a some public.
Name of PPSM.
Yes, PPS. For that, I think they have not. There has been received. I think they are.
Okay. Though LCR has been received, however, name
Copy has also been served.
name of the public prosecutor Assam is not reflected in the clause list in terms of this court order dated 16/11/2023 of registry to deem to needful for the compliance of the order dated 16/11/2023.
Because it is stated as the Purchase Union of India. That is now also is matter in the
It is still
Rajesh Kumar versus Union of India.
for that they have, I think.
Okay, you get it,
Okay, otherwise today's date was fixed for SD on the work. What I have got information.
Okay. In the meantime, the scan copies call for has been received. Received. Mr. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor, may go through the same. To assist this. If it is not shown also, inform me.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, what is it?
Getting is there, madam.
What is 20s? I think it's fixed tomorrow, but I think it's fixed tomorrow. 2021. This is also tomorrow. Okay?
2021.
2021, 23. Yes, what is this?
Let's start the same.
Okay,
They have
tomorrow.
to be-
Tomorrow. Bill, itu apa tuh? Yes, what is this?
Before going to the FIL, I want to state the fact. Petitioner before your lordship is a practicing advocate.
It is the difficult plan.
In the middle part of the October, one client comes to his chamber and said that he has
Now,
after this FIR, this computer operator was directed, and he has spelled the name of one advocate. that is, he has also been arrested, and that forwarding report at page 19, advocate forwarding report. Moinul Haq, he has been arrested, and during interrogation, he has spelled out 3 other persons' names. Page 20, Lordship, ground for police custody. Page 20. Ground number 3, to know the detail about involved accused Moon Rabha, Aman Ali, and Asiruddin, who are involved in the illegal.
Where paragraph 3?
Paragraph 3.
Point number
Point
3.
number 3, ground for police custody.
See, to know the details of their accomplices and to take necessary legal action against them. Page 20.
Yes.
Involved accused Moon Rabha,
To
Aman
know
Ali,
the
and
detail about involved accused Moon Rabha, Aman Ali, and Asiruddin, who are involved in illegal land transfer. This advocate, Moinul Ali, and these three persons, along with the CCTV operators, done the entire illegal. And subsequently came to know that one of the official of the sub-register office.
now who can enter into the site IP address?
My lord, one person, my lord, he is also arrested, my lord.
This Rupajyoti, that is,
he has used the ID of.
What is your name?
Rafiur Rahman Mul.
What is your case?
Case is that in the middle part of the October, one client has come to his chamber and stated that he has obtained a mutation, and accordingly he has stated that he has lost the mutation order. Accordingly, asked him to get a certified copy from the circle office. He applied before the circle office. The circle officer, concerned official, after verifying the records, stated that no order has been passed in that mutation order. So thereafter, the circle officer came to know about the entire incident after the application filed by the petitioner.
Okay, you want to say that on your application being filed, it was correct.
come into light that this mischief has been done.
Now, why are you apprehending? You are a good
Apprehending, the
witness.
police is searching for the petitioner.
Yes.
Police is searching, and he has been repeatedly searching, and he was in the hospitalized for several days in Apollo and Hyderabad. He is suffering different ailments. I am ready to cooperate with the investigating agency.
Where is your statement that you applied first and on your application? it was
Paragraph
rejected?
number 5 plus of my petition.
Yes, Goswami. Apparently, if he on application, if his statement is there, then we'll give a protection for the time being.
He may be a witness to the entire incident.
That is, if your statement is correct, then he can be that yes, I applied and I informed.
Yes. That is the
Because your application will shall also be on the record if you have applied for a certified copy, isn't it?
Yes.
Until and unless that is damaged. And the person who you'll have to name the person who intimidated you.
Yes.
Who is the client? Who is your client?
Yes.
Yes.
Is that it?
everything after recording my statement.
Okay.
There, my lord, statements are also necessary. My lord, Moon Rabha and Aman Ali. Then
So we'll see for the time being. Mr. Tekta. The peruse the material available on record and the allegations made. Considering the fact that petitioner is not named and that and that the petitioner has taken a specific stand that the petitioner being an advocate applied for on his advocate on instruction from his client applied for the certified copy of the mutation order which alleged to have been which is alleged to be fraudulent, and he himself has intimated his client regarding non-existence of such mutation order. Full stop. This court is of the view that the statement of the petitioner shall be required for further investigation, though may not be custodial interrogation at this stage. Full stop. Accordingly, is provided as within 10 days record statement. We'll see.
January
In January.
because in
Anything
my
want
late
to
it
say,
on
Mr.
second
Dutta,
week,
you can say.
eight
After intimating the official, this entire incident will come into line.
Okay, that will
eight.
please provide copy. This court has also considered the submission of Mr. Tekka that it is the petitioner who brought into light that and he can at least be a witness to the
Apply.
I have entered appearance on behalf of Customer to.
Okay.
This is the first day.
Yes, we want the case diary. Case diary pertaining to Sansari PS case number. Mr. Dutta has entered appearance for the respondent number 2. Accordingly, matter is ready as regards charges. Full stop. The learned additional public prosecutor, Mr. Goswami, shall call for the case diary pertaining to Sansari PS case number 391/2022, registered under section 384/341 IPC and read with section 67 of the IP. Okay. No, nothing is. He has already been arrested, released on bail. Now, huh?
Bail in interim. PRS.
Interim bail.
No, actually it was done by district and second.
Okay, some bail has been granted to you.
Yes.
So for the time being, his apprehension of arrest is not there. So
only record is.
Or a case diary. Scan copy.
Go
Go on. There is no stay. No problem. Suppose search sheet is filed, then also he can challenge it.
Apply.
Huh? Scan copy, not the case. Scan copies of the case diary people. From him, huh? Not from the register. Scan copy of issue all case diary from over the word. Not registered from by investigation is good. Not by register. Item 55. Yes, we are allowing this passing. So, Swami, we have heard him. We have just gone to it. This is in pursuance of an official duty. So, admittedly, there was an Mr. Das was there on that day. Okay. Now tell us what will happen. Suppose you cause.
This present proceeding will end.
Then investigation will remain. Investigation will remain.
No, in case if they want to prosecute again the petitioner, they will have to submit the charge sheet along with the sanction. That is to get.
No, we understand. So investigation will not go.
Investigation will not go.
Investigation will not go. They can very well now again file a charge sheet with sanction.
Yes. Investigation phase is over. There will be no investigation, but only the charge sheet will be accepted sanction. If the except one. Otherwise, my lord, according sanction, this is within the absolute domain discretion of the government. If the government want to allow the accord the sanction, they will accord the sanction. Or if they don't want to prosecute their officer, they will not accord the sanction, but they will not keep the sanction. That is the procedure.
This is completely, my lord, administrative
Market.
discretion, administrative procedure. While granting the sanction. Otherwise, my lord, in similar cases, my lord, so far even I have also deal with, my lord. So normally this could also in other similar cases, my lord, or only view the last view is that this at an in what will be the next code that is only for the state 65.
If that toll gate demanding money in toll gate.
Now I remember.
I think judgment is whatever we think. Judgment is that if it is in official, even if it exceeds niche bed is there.
That is there. That is
If
there.
that is there,
I cannot dispute.
so if that is there,
But what is law, my
now
lord, that is
we will have to
cannot
follow.
go
Our
beyond that.
personal thinking or we feel bad is not
No.
cannot be a question.
I understand he has not exceeded, but even
Exceeded,
then,
but Supreme Court says even if he exceeds,
that
Still covered.
they will pass this order.
My lord, even to discount of this code, my lord,
When we do not require a decision, why should we quote all this? It's a wastage of paper
unnecessary
and
pressure.
Huh?
Unnecessary pressure.
what is my
we whatever required to be required necessary, we have done it. We have done our homework. We have understood what
When there is a gray area that it is
then
difficult to decide, this is a both way.
Its law is clear. We'll say that law is clear. This is the fact. GD&T was just admittedly on his official duty. Even if it is exceeded,
Even
prosecution
then,
sanction was required, not taken, so it is set aside. Now it is up to the prosecution to seek sanction and proceed accordingly. Will not comment anything whether it should be granted.
only my lord, that liberty may be given to.
That liberty effective.
yeah, liberty is always there, man.
We'll specifically give that there is needless to say that.
Once order is set aside, there may be
We
confusion.
said that this
that we
needless
cannot
to say
proceed
that
further.
this order shall not preclude the investigating authority to seek sanction and do the needful
Right.
as per law.
This observation even in my submission, so automatically there. That
No, automatically then there if
We know
what
that.
is
See,
the
suppose we set aside a department.
My lord.
proceeding.
That-
On only on the ground say violations of principles of natural justice. What we do? When it's de novo, we do not say that do de novo. You are at liberty. We will not say that you have violated, do it again. We will not say do it again. We will say that you are at liberty. We will not say do it.
after all justice has to prevail, my lord.
We are on constitutional justice.
So we can mark it as disposed of.
Addressing tomorrow, man.
Huh.
I get a copy today. That I can.
Today may be difficult. Today we have many matters will dictate in the chamber. You say that judgment is reserved. Okay, that will help you. Order prosperity, judgment reserved. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved.
All right.
Okay, that will help.
All right.
Otherwise, we could have dictated today, but doubtful today it will be.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.